doing? What are you doing? Ay, oh, go push it. Oh, yan. Hi. Happy birthday. And Tita Gina pa pala. Tita Gina's birthday on July 9. Yes. Tita Gina. What did you say, Tata? No, it's not Tata. It's Magina pala. Naku, Lola na muna pala rin yun. Kamali pa ako. Tita pa sabi ko, ha? That's Magina. Mama Gina. Mama Gina. Yan, tulak ng tulak, ewan. I'm trying to find out kung paano natin ito mapapadala sa kanila, no? Uy, sing. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain and the itsy bitsy spider. Yay! Yay! Ay, nako. Jordan, say hi. Happy birthday, everybody. And then it's my birthday on July 29. Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jordan. Oh, kumakanta din. Look at the video. Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, Jordan. Yung kanyang ano naman. Yung kanyang zebra. Naku po, ang likot-likot. Oh. Aray ko. Tete. Ano, stop na natin to. Say hi to everybody. Hoy, mag-hi ka naman. Talaga tong batang ito. Itong apo natin. Ano na naman kinakalikot mo dyan? Hoy, hala, lagot ka. Lagot, basurahan yan. Huy. Stop na. Tama na. Ay, naku, goodbye na kami. Diyos ko, pare-pareho lang naman ang ginagawa. Mamaya kukunan ko siya pag nandun siya sa kwarto ko. Dadaling ko siya dun. Okay. Bye. Say bye. Uy, magbabay ka. Bye-bye. Sabi mo, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. See you all soon. Jordan. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Likot-likot. Bilis-bilis eh. Oy. Show your nose. Your nosy. Yan. Pinoy na Pinoy. Aray. Ngurot pa. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Yay! Bye-bye. Dance. Sige, dance. Dance ka. Yay! Dancing pa. Ay, naku. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Uy, bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, good boy. Close open. Close open. Close open ka naman. Close open. Close open. Close open. Ay, pakita mo marunong ka mag-close open. Ay, naku naman si Jordan eh. Close open. Close open. Close open. Likot. Sige na nga, pare-pareho lang eh, Kalikotan. Close open. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye dito sa camera, dito sa video. Uy. Bye.